Ever want to send a normal snap like after an hour or even later from your camera roll? I'll be showing you two amazing ways in which you can send a snap even after a day as a normal snap. For sure, this will blow your mind, especially for the ones who operate Snapchat frequently. So without further ado, let's get started. So getting into the first way, just open your Snapchat. Tap on the emoji icon here. Now tap on explore. Now type upload. I'm going with the first filter as I just want to send a snap from my camera roll as it is. If you wish to add a picture to a snap, you can select the second filter. I'll show you how it's done. Just tap on the second filter. So these are my recent pictures from my camera roll. I'm selecting this please picture. You can also click a picture this way and start sending snap. So I'm going back as I want to send with the first filter. Tap on the filter. So these are the recent pictures. Select the picture which you want to send as a snap. Now tap on the yellow icon here. Now tap on send. So this way you can send snaps to the people as a normal snap even after a day. So the second way is going to be a little complicated as compared to the first one. Just go to your camera roll and select the picture which you want to send as a snap. I'm selecting this picture. Now tap on the edit option in the bottom left. Now tap on the fourth option in the top right. Now do the same way as I'm doing. So there is a duplicate picture. Now tap on done. You can save this picture in two options. I'm saving this as copy. So this picture has been saved. Now come back. Now click a picture. Now tap on the third option in the bottom right. Now tap on the fifth option here, the trim one, and tap on this. So you can see this is the same picture which we wanted to send as a snap. You can even zoom the picture and tap on send. So this way you can send snaps like a normal one, but I prefer and suggest you the first way. I hope this video was very helpful to all the Snapchat users as they can send any snap at any time. For the ones who are yet to subscribe my channel, please make sure you subscribe and like and also share this video with all of your Snapchat friends and mates to let them know about this trick. Thanks for watching.